Hello, mister? How are you? You? Please speak well. Why are you scaring me? I am sorry, sir. It is not going to happen again. So here we need to be calm and humble. Then are you ready to do the quiz? Yes, I am ready. Can you please show me the exam before I start? No, it is illegal to show you the exam before. If you fail, you will repeat immediately. Then, my friend, you have to think before answering any question abruptly. So be calm enough. Can we start? You are wasting my time. Do you disrespect me again? Let us stop by here because you need first to learn about discipline. No, don't say so. My father will kill me if I move away from here without doing the exam. Please forgive me. Okay. 1. State 4 characteristic of a computer. /4 marks. The answer is memory, speed, accurate, versatile, reliability and diligent. Good, and you get 4 marks at all. 2. What are computer families? /4 marks. Answer. Computer families are supercomputer, microcomputer, mainframe computer and mini-computers. However, there are other computer classifications. 3. Define computer. /2 marks. Answer. Computer is an electronic device which is capable of receiving input data, process data and give output, and stores the processed data. 4. State 4 areas where a computer can be used. /5 marks. Answer. Computer can be used in different areas such as education, business, industry, entertainment, home, office, research and in military, but not only this. Mr. Caveman, congratulations, and you won your test. You get 15/15 marks and the test is over here. Let us meet next time. Thank you, sir, and be with God. Tomorrow will be better.